Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beginner to Ninja channel. Are you tired of spending hours editing your videos? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. In this video, we're going to talk about OpusClip, the latest AI-powered video editing tool that's taking the world by storm. First, click the link in the description below to sign up for OpusClip and get started with your free trial. Trust me, you won't regret it. So, what is OpusClip? It's an innovative AI video editing platform that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your footage and create stunning videos in minutes. With OpusClip, you can automatically edit your videos with AI-powered precision. Add music, transitions, and effects with ease. Enhance your video quality with advanced color correction and audio ducking. Create social media clips, explainer videos, and more. But that's not all. OpusClip is constantly updating its features and capabilities. Some of the latest additions include advanced text-to-video capabilities, improved AI-powered editing algorithms, enhanced collaboration features for teams. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or small business owner, OpusClip is the perfect tool for you. It's user-friendly, efficient, and produces high-quality results. In conclusion, OpusClip is a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their video editing process. With its AI-powered technology and advanced features, it's the ultimate tool for creating stunning videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on OpusClip. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it helpful.